All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at United Airlines, UAL. So United, there's a lot of basically FUD going around with the coronavirus and, obviously the Omicron and the Delta variant, all those different things. So, airlines are typically traded off of these. Okay, when there's big fears of the virus, and when virus fears are high and there's talk of shutdowns and shutting down airports and airlines, then obviously these will United Airlines will be affected negatively, right? So that's just the basis. All right. So always keep attention to the news. You're gonna have to monitor the news if you are investing or trading in airlines. Okay. So I just want to say that before we get into it. Now we're looking at the daily chart right now. And basically this red channel is what I want you to pay attention to on the daily channel or the daily chart. Um, and one of my last analysis I did on this, I basically said, hey, I think that this thing is just going to trade in this channel, go up, down, up, down. And, that's kind of what it's doing right now. Okay. So, we bottomed out, we came to the top, and we came back to the bottom, and we came back to the top. And, potentially we could go back down right here, or we could break out. All right. So, that's basically what I would watch. Okay. If you're not in American Airlines right now, I would be cautious and just wait. Okay. I think that a better entry would be towards the bottom of this, channel right here, around closer to 30 to 40 dollars a share. All right. Now, for day trading, okay, I have a really good day trading strategy that worked out really well on American Airlines. But I ended up missing it. Okay. I had charted, about 5 different things I wanted to look at, and American Airlines was one of them. I just wasn't able to get into it. I was in something else at the time. All right. So what we have is the blue lines are going to be the breakout levels. Okay, so if it goes above the blue line, then you get into calls. Okay, because calls mean you think that the price is going to go up. And if we break out below here on the bottom of the blue level, the bottom blue line, then that's our breakout level for puts, and you buy puts, and puts means it's going to go down. Okay. The dotted lines are the basically the middle line in between the breakout level and the green price target. Okay, so if you're shorting it, then the green, this is your price target you want to hit. And if you're got calls, you think it's going to go up, then this is your price target you want to hit. But it's always good to put a support and resistance line in between your bullish price targets and your breakout levels, because a lot of times that is where we're going to find resistance. Okay, so looking at the 5-minute chart, um yesterday on the 28th, it had a nice break above this breakout level. Okay, came back down, and just took off from there, hit exactly on the middle of this bullish price target. So if you're day trading options, let's just say you don't have a perfect entry, right? You get in here. Okay, because you see that this candlestick closed above, and you enter in at the close of this candlestick, right? And then it goes down. Okay, it goes down a little bit, all right, but then eventually it recovers. That's a 1.44% move in the price of the stock. Now, if you trade options, 1.44% in your direction in less than an hour, that's 47 minutes, according to this, this trend line right here. So less than an hour, and you're able to get almost 1.5% on the stock price. That's very good on options, depending on when your expiration date is. That's anywhere from like 10 to 30 to 40, 50%. Okay, so that was a really good trade. That's basically kind of my trading style for a lot of these things. Okay, is I like to chart them out and look at them long term. Okay, and look at okay, well, long term, what are some, what's it doing, right? So if we look at the daily chart, we can see it's been dropping, and now it's been consolidating in this channel, and we need to break above this channel to try to go back bullish, or we need to break below this channel to show us that we're going to head lower. Okay, but for right now, it's a pretty good double bottom, and we're recovering. It's forming a double top now, and we're going to see if this double top turns into a bearish play, or if we get above this breakout level right here. This is still our breakout level. Okay, so if we get above there, we could face resistance at the red line, which is that main channel I've been showing you guys. We could face resistance here, where we've had resistance once, twice already, after we break out, or we might end up hitting the bullish price target of 46.61. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like the airline stocks, okay, I just dropped a video on American Airlines as well. So feel free to watch that video. That's right over here to the right.